Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup with fish. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a delicious and healthy meal. You will need about 1 pound of firm white fish, like cod. Also, prepare 4 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, perhaps carrots, celery, and spinach. Don't forget 6 cups of good quality vegetable broth and 2 tablespoons of olive oil to start. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves to the pot. Sauté these aromatics until the onion becomes translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step builds a flavorful base for your soup. Next, pour in the 6 cups of vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Add your prepared mixed vegetables and let them cook for about 10 minutes until they are tender crisp. Finally, gently add the fish pieces to the simmering broth. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily. To finish, season your delicious soup with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill to taste. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and serve immediately, perhaps with a slice of crusty bread. It's a comforting and nutritious meal, and for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fish and vegetable soup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.